All species of rabbits, except for one, live in underground burrows. This distinguishes them from hares, which build nests on the surface. The length of rabbit ears can exceed 10 centimeters, and the world record is almost 80 centimeters. If the rabbit is strongly frightened, he can really die of fear. When eating food, the rabbit makes 2 chewing movements every second, that is, about 120 per minute. Rabbit eyes are very unusual. These creatures can see what is happening behind them without even turning their heads. The oldest rabbit lived for 19 years. Rabbits only sweat through the pads on their feet. If they were given the opportunity to reproduce as freely as possible, then after 90 years the number of rabbits would become equal to the number of square meters on our planet. More than 50% of all rabbits in the world live in North America. Rabbits easily jump to a height of 1.5 meters. A rabbit can bear 2 offspring at the same time, conceived at different times and from 2 different males, since she has a bifurcated uterus. This partly explains the fecundity of these creatures. In some states of Australia, the keeping of rabbits as pets is prohibited, and the violator will face a huge fine. Rabbits in general are not very intelligent, but nature has perfectly adapted them to survive. More than 50% of all rabbits in the world live in North America. The rabbit has 18 claws, 4 on the hind legs and 5 on the front. The female rabbit usually feeds the cubs for about 5 minutes a day. Rabbits can snore. Not all rabbits snore, but some do so with great pleasure. Rabbits are very quiet animals, but they are not dumb. They mutter, hiss, squeak, and the male makes a short but rather loud sound immediately after the act of mating. Rabbits are most active at dawn and dusk of the day. Rabbits have tiny teeth behind their front incisors. The history of rabbit breeding began about 4,000 years ago. The remains of the first rabbit farms of this age have been found during archaeological excavations in Spain and Portugal. President Lincoln allowed his son to keep many pets in the White House, including rabbits. Napoleon III, nephew of Napoleon I, was one of the most famous rabbit breeders. Some of their breeds become sexually mature as early as 3 months of age. These animals drink a lot of water. So, a rabbit weighing a couple of kilograms can drink more than a dog that is 5 times its weight.